All right, crew, so welcome back, guys. This is the third day we've been working on this Gilbarco gas pump. It's gonna be an ESO gas pump. So here you see all the pieces back here in the back, guys. Hopefully this is gonna be a very short day. So today we're gonna go ahead and finish. I'm gonna go ahead and put another coat of blue on all my blue parts because after looking at it, it did look like I need, look like I see some little shade areas and stuff. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and put one more coat, maybe two more coats of blue on it, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and clear this puppy, guys. We're gonna go ahead and clear it, we're gonna set it and leave it alone, walk away, and come back the next day and we're gonna finish up the process. So thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Today is the third day and we're gonna get this job taken care of and gonna knock it off the park. So stay tuned, hang out with me this evening, and we're gonna get it done. All right, crew, so we're back at it, man. We're back in the garage, finishing up this Gilbarco gas pump, which we're making it out of an ESO. So I'm in here in the paint booth, wiping everything down. I just got through washing everything out. And let me turn you guys around. And now we're gonna go ahead and prep all our pieces, wipe everything down with wax and grease remover. And then we're gonna go in here and we're gonna go ahead and paint today, and I'm gonna let it dry because we actually kind of starting it a little late today, but we're gonna go ahead and put some paint on it, put some color on it. First, I'm gonna paint everything white, and then I'm gonna go back and put the colors on it. And then tomorrow morning, we'll come back and we'll go ahead and spray about 2 to 3 coats of clear coat on it, and we'll be done with this pump. Then we'll just be putting it back together. So hang out with me today, guys. I'll be right back. We're gonna go ahead and get our supplies together so we can wipe her down. All right, so we're here wiping her down one last time, final time before I put some color on this stuff. Like I said, everything is gonna be, I'm gonna paint everything white, put a coat of white on it first, on all the parts, and then we're gonna come back and do the individual parts. So I'm almost finished wiping it down. As soon as I finish wiping it, we're gonna go ahead and spray it. looks like with basically 2 good wet coats of clear. I'll just go ahead and probably put another good wet coat over everything. It turned out good. And make it about 3 good heavy coats. We'll let this dry. Got a few runs right there. Got a run right there. First run I've seen so far. It's alright. So we'll go ahead, let this cure for about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and mix up some more, and we'll go ahead and spray another coat. That'll be like 3 to 4 coats of clear. Let's get it. All right, crew, so we're done with the paint and all the clear. Tell you what, it came out really good, man. Really good. I know I always say that, but you know, I feel like my painting skills is getting better and better, man. The more I paint, the better I'm getting. You know, it's all about that gun and that pattern, the spray patterns, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, I'm not going to stay here long because I always end up touching something that I shouldn't be touching. All right. So as of right now, I only got pretty much 1 bad run, and that's in this piece right here in the globe. I put a little bit too much. Let me see if I can show you guys. But tomorrow I could come and I may try to wet sand that out. You see that there? So once that get really hard, I will come back. And I would definitely wet sand that. It shouldn't take very long. And then I can just hand buff it out. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Tomorrow we're going to jump right on to the assembly part. So I'm going to make this video 2 parts. But we're going to come back tomorrow and we're going to try to put it together and finish up this assembly. So I'll catch you guys first thing in the morning. Peace.